demonstrated the correct way of wearing a 3-ply face mask.
Always remember that the dark blue or even the dark green side is out, while the white color one is inner. And then there's a metal here whereby it's actually to withhold your nostril. So what we're gonna do is, in fact, when you wear, pull it up the 2 strings, tie it down to your face, pull it up and pull down your cheek, and that's how you press on the nostril. That's a complete way of wearing the face mask. That could be your comfortable ways. This is the right way of wearing a 3-ply face mask. Alright. Certainly there are a few populations what they do is, in fact, they wear in this way. That's actually an incorrect way too. And then there are a few they are not pulling down. So what we're gonna do is they do like this, which is not right too, because